Okay, so I'm making some chicken wings. I have all flats. They were frozen and I thawed them out. And I'm preheating my oven to 400 degrees. And then I'm going to cook them for 35 to 45 minutes. And then I have these seasonings. This is from Buffalo Wild Wings, salt and vinegar seasoning, and buffalo seasoning. Before I put them in the oven, I'm going to season them with some pink Himalayan salt and just some pepper. And then I'll put the seasoning on after they cook. Okay, here's our chicken wings after about 40 minutes in the oven. We're going to pull them out and season them. And here we have the finished product. This is really easy to make your own. All right, thanks for watching.